In this video, I want to give you a full strategic breakdown of WPT Global. We talk about the software, the game structure, why effective rake is high, and how rakeback and bonuses affect your real win rate. This is not a hype video and not a hate video, it's about understanding the system and deciding if it fits your style. WPT Global is an international poker room with players from many regions. Because you can play in US dollar and Chinese yuan, the ecosystem feels very different compared to GG or PokerStars. From my experience, the games are noticeably softer and more action heavy. The software itself is simple and lightweight. It's stable and easy to use and fully playable without any third party tools. It doesn't try to be fancy, it just does what it needs to do. What really makes WPT Global different is the game structure. Most games are played with 3 blinds, and all formats except Flash include antes. On top of that, some tables run hold'em bomb pots, which further increases average pot size and action. WPT Globals offers a fast full format called Flash, comparable to PokerStars Zoom or GG Russian Cash. Traffic is good to up to NL50. Flash is the only format without antes, but it's still a 3 blind game, so pots start larger than usual. Most regular cash games on WP Global are played with antes. You have 3 blinds and half a big blind ante from every player, which inflates the pot before any action. Some tables also include hold'em bomb pots, which force everyone into the pot and creates even more action. This is the key concept of the whole video. Antes inflates pots immediately, 3 blinds increase average pot size, and bond pots force the entire table into the pot. All of this leads to much bigger pots, and because of rake is taken from the pot, effective rake per 100 hands is significantly higher. Let's look at a simple math example. In a 100NL 8-handed game on WPT Global, the pot already contains about 6.5 blinds before anyone acts. In a normal 2-blind game, it's only 1.5 blinds. That's why rake accumulates much faster. On WPT Global, the base rake percentage is usually around 4%. On GG Poker, it's closer to 5%, with lower caps and rake taken on more hands. Both rooms are expensive, the real difference is structure and how predictable your rakeback is. There's one more factor about WPT Global that many players overlook. The software offers optional paid features like extending your time bank or paying to see opponents' cards after the hand. They are optional, but if you use them frequently, they effectively increase your paid rake and total costs. This is why rakeback is so important on WPT Global. It's not just the official rake, structure, bomb pots, and paid features all increase your real costs. If you don't plan around rakeback, you're miscalculating your profitability. WPT Global offers a very generous welcome bonus. They match 100% of your first deposit, and you can earn that full amount back as cash within 90 days. Depending on your deposit, you also get tournament tickets and casino coin that you can see on the right side of the screen. Using my referral link or bonus code Bigboomriver, you receive 30% flat rakeback. It's fixed, transparent, and predictable. For that, use the link in description and use the bonus code when you create a new account. Give me a message that you used it and I will confirm that you are tagged. After that, you will get your extra rakeback monthly directly on your WPT Global account. WPT considers you a winning player once you win more than 33% of the rake you pay over a rolling 180-day period. After that, they are going to cut that rakeback in case you are over that number. Personally, I would approach WPT Global with a clear plan. Maximize the bonus, exploit the soft games, use rakeback as long as you get it, and be disciplined with paid features. With deposit bonus and flat rakeback, the games are very playable, and the free tournament tickets are a nice incentive. WPT Global isn't about stake level, it's about style. Very nitty or tight players get eaten by the structure, which is exactly why the action is so good. Adapting to anti-style is key to beating WPT Global. WPT Global has soft games, high effective rake, and very clear rules. If you understand the structure and plan around rakeback, it can be very profitable. You need to track your results manually and decide after you've finished your deposit or after WPT cut your affiliate rakeback if the site is still profitable for you. If you want to test WPT Global with 30% flat rakeback, use my referral link or bonus code Bigboomriver. All links are in the description. Minimum short term, WPT Global can be a very profitable alternative.